Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today we're gonna learn how we can utilize Pump.fun new interface to trade meme coins on Solana. Um, Pump.fun has recently changed its interface and they have introduced streamers like creators platform where creators can make money after launching their coins and going live on Pump.fun. And every trade people will do on their coins, the creators will get some money out of it as if in terms of fees. So they're trying to incentivize the creators through making sure that everybody makes money, not just Pump.fun. So we're gonna jump to see how we can actually see how people are making money, and then you guys can also utilize it um, to launch your own coins. One disclaimer is that you don't need to have any money to launch your own coin. So it's free, but to trade, you have to need some Solana so you can trade. So let's see this coin unemployed. Someone is streaming here, and the market cap is 263K, and the coin already topped like almost to 2.8 million. So see the streamers, he's making money, and we can also see on deck screeners what's happening. Um, Unemployed. Okay, so here you can see they created the coin, and it's pretty much there still 262K market cap. So you can see people are creating coins. You can either just create it without going live, or you can just do going live on Panda One talking to people. So you can see all sort of coins here. People are live, and so this guy is live on TradeMill till 100 million. So he wants the coin to go 100 million, and he's going to be live. The coin went up to like 5.5 million, and he's no more, I think, live on this platform, but he usually comes, like he did come today for 2.5 hours. So was just a way to see how people are, trying to create coins and then make money out of it. And at the same time, people are also trying to make money. We can move forward and we can see how we can go towards just the live stream tab here. If you just click the live stream, people are sitting here, they're just doing live stream, and you can see this guy. Okay, this coin is 48 million all time high, 45 million. So there are a lot of uh, coins that actually went really up, like really, really, really up, and people made a lot of money. Um, but make sure that there are scammers and they will dump on you. So do not trade with everything you have. Just make sure you divide your investments and then trade with it. Um, let's see if we can check. So first of all, make sure that you have a wallet. For this, we can use Photon wallet, and then you have a Photon wallet. Just uh, like go and connect your wallet to this website. I've already connected. You can once you connect the coin, your wallet, or then you can also change your wallet afterwards. To just connect your wallet, you don't need to have any Solana name. Solana and tin S Ana, and then any description. We'll just be looking at this thing as a learning thing. We'll put this photo, and I will just create a coin. It's asking me if I want to buy. I don't want to buy. Yep. So now we'll be creating the coin. Once we create the coin, the main task begins, like how you will market this coin going to Twitter and the other platform. So the coin is created right now, and you can see that this is our coin, 6.9K market cap. Um, there is no trade usually. If the developer buys, a lot of people will come. But if it's just a testing coin, then now nobody's going to buy this coin. So make sure you buy your own coin and then trade. And then everything is given to you here. You can buy your coin right now too, and if you already bought it, you can sell it 25%, 50%, 75, 100%. So it will give you all the options to do it. Let's jump to the advanced option of Pump.fun, and let's see how. So many of you have already seen Photon and Bullux. So let's just see. So Pump.fun has created their own Bullux and Photon, meme scope, where they will show you the coins that have been created, the coins that are about to graduate to Radium, and the coins that are already graduated. So I think this is one of the best platforms right now to actually, have all in one. Um, I would say accessibility to trade meme coins. Before that, you have to go either to connect your wallet with Photon, and then they charge their own fees. So rather than doing that, just go and use Pump.fun and then trade your own things. So let's say Pump Hub. This is a coin. I will show you one thing that this is the interface they have right now. Um, Number one thing, we have to go and copy the address. Go here, you go to transfers, you go to SPL, Solana Public Library. So Solana, there are three options: all, everything. Sol is only Solana is holding up that developer, right? SPL is the create coins created on chain, like meme coins. So let's go to SPL, and then it already has just three transactions, so we don't need to filter it out. Otherwise, you can just go here and cut this in, and then you can just paste the phub and then filter it. So let's see. Now click on SPL, and this is both incoming and going transaction. So 2 days ago he created it and then he sold it, right? So he created this coin, he sold the coin, and then 4 minutes ago he created another coin called this. Or maybe you want to, if you want to check, you can just go and copy his address. I'm going to show you another way to do it, just to be very clear. So go copy this address of the coin from here. Go to Dex Screener. You go to Dex Screener. You paste it here. You go to his address, the developer's address. Go to Dex Screener. You go on 1 minute. You go to Maker. You don't see anything here. So one reason is that he has done his trades only on Pump.fun. So after migrating this developer that did not actually trade it on Radium, so he's still holding. So one way we can check is the last three digits are the letters of the address, wallet address, KTW. And then you go here and you see holders. See, he's here. He's the KTW guy. So we can see his trades. So the developer is still holding, and how much he's holding is 9%. But we want to know who this guy is, 23.98%. So we have to click on his address, or we can just directly click here. It will take us to SoulScan. And this is a bonding curve. So this is a Pump.fun bonding curve address, which is fine. Bonding curve is where all the liquidity exists and the coins that is available to trade. So we think this is actually fine, so we'll leave it here and we'll go to this place. And now it will also show you the bubble maps where the transactions and the transfers happen, and you can see the chat happening here. They have given you all the buy sell options. So this is how Pump.fun new feature is working. Make sure you know how to use SoulScan. If you don't know how to use SoulScan, I've linked this video on the screen where you can actually go and find the way to actually investigate anyone's wallet or coin, and then trade safely. So this is actually a new features on Pump.fun, and then I think it's one of the best features that I've seen so far. It's integrated everything in one platform rather than you trying to link your wallet and then draining your wallet. Everything is in one scope. Make sure you also use Dex Screener for the coins that have been migrated to Radium. It just gives you a better interface. But for live trading, or if you're doing some crazy trading, then make sure that just stick to it, and just make sure that you only invest what you can afford to lose. So I would say if you're $100 to invest, try to do $5 to $10 per coin, but don't just do gamble on it. Just make sure you everything check marks, or majority of the thing is fine with the coin, and then you can move forward with it. Other than that, I think Photon, everything is now integrated with Pump.fun, so you don't need to Photon. Make sure you use Twitter. The best way to use Twitter is just copy the address of the coin, go to Twitter and search. When you search it, it will just come up. 4 minutes ago, someone is talking about this coin, right? And people are saying, who's behind this project? What happened? So 23 seconds ago. So our bots are giving alerts and stuff. So this is a very unique way to see. And when you see, and then you can start DCing. Look at the coin that's going parabolic right now. So there are certain coins that you can find on Pump.fun, and as soon as your initial investment is double, I will reckon that you take your initial investment out and leave the other in, and then you can DC, or maybe you can just take it out easily, slowly. So this was it. If you guys want to know more about how we can actually do some extreme trading on Pump.fun, then let me know, and I will make another video about how to make sure that we do extreme trading on Pump.fun in 24 hours and make as much money as we can. But it's not always Sunday, so There are days where you will lose money. You just need to know where to stop and then move, look forward for the next day. So I'll meet you next time. Thank you.